Hello guys, in this tutorial we will create a personal weblog with Laravel and PHP. In Mac we can use an application, a local server application for hosting or application to run PHP files and codes on the server. I use MAMP and MAMP Pro in this tutorial. You can use all application you want. For example, VPS under virtual machine like VirtualBox or another applications like MAMP. But I highly recommend MAMP for those users who never install a server and they want only one simple application, all-in-one application to hosting PHP. For you can install MAP under internet and download it. For example, search for MAP. My internet is so slow, and because of that it maybe take a long time to load because I already uploading another video on the YouTube. You can click on downloads and download the Mac version. If you have Windows, you can download the Windows version, or if you was a Linux user, you can use LAMP from, if you have Arch, you can use it from AUR repository, or for Debian or Fedora, you can download Deb or RPM, and in command line you can type LAMP start. Okay, and I have MAMP already installed. If you have MAMP, click on preferences. In the web server you can choose another folder for document root. Okay, we go to our home folder and public, create an folder, we type it and personal blog and click create and then select it. You can use it. Okay, and we can test it. When we start the server, it will be a start. Okay, it's started and it's ready to use. You can use this information for MySQL or connect to the MySQL with this example, or connecting using an Unix socket, PHP myadmin and PHP info. You can use. See, we have in 7.4.2 version of PHP. This application is very good and perfect for our needs. And if you want to try installing this application from command line in the Mac OS, you can use Pro, Cask, install, and another application. For writing codes and develop, we use Visual Studio Code. You can install it from here. Visual Studio Code. If I write true, I think it's not right or not. You can search it on the internet if it's wrong. Maybe it's true. Which Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text Editor or Bracket you can write your code. It's important if you are new or beginner. Your editor support syntax highlight or auto completion. It helps you to write your code better, easier, and it's a very huge effective for developing an application or website using a right tool. You can use Vim if you prefer, or Nano or other things. Okay, you can see I already installed that from Brew, and it says you can reinstall this application. I have it and I exit the terminal. Which Visual Studio Code and MAMP, we have all things for everything, for developing an application on the web or a website on the web. We can open Visual Studio Code to writing and code and test or MAMP server. I move my Visual Studio to this display and open folder, excuse me, and public personal black. Workspace is about project and a project file. You can open a project file. It's like a project file. Okay, personal black. We can create a new file. We can .php to test PHP. You can see it's have auto completion. If you want that, you can go to here and change the settings, or go to here and click on extensions. You can install type of PHP, PHP Intelligence, PHP Intelligence, and PHP Debug. And for Laravel, you can use a lot of extensions for Laravel. For example, this fantastic install, or we have a lot of for example Laravel Blade, Laravel Snippets, Laravel Artisan, Laravel Extra Intelligence. You can install all of them to here. Which these and PHP. We write our code, echo hello row, and then semicolon. You can write it, or you can write like this. Right, and PHP tag, and we can save it. If we go to Firefox and type local 80, we can see hello world in here. We are finished in this part. It was an intro to tutorial. In the next tutorial and part of this tutorial, we start to develop personal weblog from scratch and create database and everything we need, and it will be a good and beautiful website. And if you want to watch this tutorial, you can click on subscribe button below, or click on the alert button to see notifications and new videos if I upload them. My English is not good, and I sorry for that, and I appreciate you to watch this tutorial, and I wish it's help you to develop applications and website in PHP. I see you in next part.